Write the plural, one or many. Hey guys, I'm Scribbly, and today we're going to learn all about plural words. So grab your pencil and paper. Let's go level 1.
We'll start easy. Make sure to write down your answers. Question 1. What is the plural of cat? Answer: cats. Question 2. What is the plural of dog? Answer: dogs. Question 3. What is the plural of apple? Answer: apples. Question 4. What is the plural of bus? Answer: buses. Question 5. What is the plural of fox? Answer: foxes.
Level 2. Are you writing down your answers?
Question 6. What is the plural of baby? Answer: babies. Question 7. What is the plural of leaf? Answer: leaves. Question 8. What is the plural of tooth? Answer: teeth. Question 9. What is the plural of child? Answer: children. Question 10. What is the plural of mouse? Answer: mice.
Hey guys, you're doing amazing so far. But before we move forward, here's a fun activity. Find something blue around you. I'll give you a few seconds. Did you find one? Awesome job! Level 3. Here's the last stretch. Are you ready?
Question 11. What is the plural of foot? Answer: feet. Question 12. What is the plural of goose? Answer: geese. Question 13. What is the plural of sheep? Answer: sheep. Question 14. What is the plural of man? Answer: men. Question 15. What is the plural of woman? Answer: women.
You completed all the levels. So, how many did you get right? Comment it down below. I'll be back with more fun questions soon, so stay tuned. See ya!
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.